As you may have discovered, your feedback widget is full of smart features, such as automatically generating a title using AI, so your users don't have to, and automatically categorizing the feedback that your users submit, such as categorizing feedback as a bug, an idea, or general feedback. But let me show you what users most love about Userback, starting with feedback integrations. For example, when you receive feedback, such as a bug from your users, you can automatically send that feedback directly through to your project management tool. For example, here I have Jira, and I can automatically send feedback received through my feedback widget through to Jira when it's classified as a bug automatically by AI. I can then also enable smart sync features such as automatically updating the status when the status is updated in Jira or Userback, and sync those back and forward. Similarly, with new comments added, it will automatically update in the respective platform. Moving on to some features that customers really love to use, and that is the automation tools that are available. For example, you can automatically assign feedback when it's received based on the type of feedback you're receiving and set due dates for those users so that they'll never miss a feedback so they can take action straight away. Setting up automation tools encourages you to invite your team so that you can ensure feedback is being handled appropriately by the right person. Other automation tools that are available, such as automatically send a confirmation email when a user submits feedback, and being able to automatically send a reply to the user when you resolve the feedback. We encourage you to jump in, invite your team into Userback, configure your AI assist for the widget and your feedback, configure your automation, making sure that you're assigning feedback to the right people to ensure that you're collecting, understanding, and acting on feedback faster.